If you're new to budgeting, relax. You don't need spreadsheets or complicated finance apps. You just need a simple plan for where your money goes. So let me show you how to budget in the easiest way possible, even if you've failed before. The first step is knowing exactly how much you make after tax. Not your salary. The real number that hits your bank account. Write that down. Next, list your non-negotiable expenses: rent, transportation, bills, basic food. These are your survival costs. If this already eats more than 70% of your income, your problem isn't budgeting, it's income. You may need a side hustle or cheaper lifestyle. But if you're under 70%, good. Now, before you pay for Netflix or fast food, pay yourself first. Even if it's $10. Put it into a separate savings or emergency account that you don't touch. That is your freedom fund. Rich people save first, spend later. Broke people do the opposite. With what's left, use a simple rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% saving or debt payoff. If you can't stick to that exactly, adjust it, just make sure you're always saving something. Now here's the real secret. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about awareness. Most people are not broke, they're leaking money without noticing. Track your spending for 7 days. You'll be shocked where your money actually goes. Want to make budgeting automatic? Split your salary into multiple accounts. One for bills, one for fun, one for savings. If you only see your spending account, you won't overspend. And please, stop relying on willpower. Set rules instead. For example, no spending before noon. Or no ordering food on weekdays. Tiny rules save hundreds. If you follow this system for 1 month, you'll feel different. For 3 months, you'll have savings. For 6 months, you'll have peace of mind. So let me ask, are you controlling your money, or is it controlling you? If you want the next step, watch my video on 7 Rules of Financial Well-Being. I'll link it next. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe to Dollar Decision for more money made simple.